How to transfer a ticket on Zendesk.com. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer the assignee of a specific ticket to another one on Zendesk.com. For that purpose, log into your Zendesk.com account and then head over to your ticket section. And onto your ticket sections, what you're going to do is you're going to simply click on one of these tickets, and right here you can see in the assignee option, it is currently selected to this one, and you can just in the list down below here, you can look into the different members that are working into your organization and simply change the assignee from one to another one. Like, let's just say I assigned it to this person instead of this person right here. I assigned it to the support system, and then once that is done, I just simply submit this as open. And as you can see, let's head back over to the ticket section. The ticket is now not being assigned to this person, but it is being assigned to another person, as in to the support person, and not directly to this person, right? So this is how you can change the assignee status and transfer the tickets to another person in Zendesk.com.